How to add auto beats on CapCut. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add auto beats on CapCut. So let's just get right into it. First thing first, open up your CapCut application and just make sure that you're logged into your account. I'm just going to go ahead and open up a random project from my CapCut. And as you can see, I've already imported certain videos here. You could do the same. And what you could also do is insert audios. So if I just go back and tap on audio, as you can see here, I have two types of audios right here that are imported. So let me just play it for you guys. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on play. And as you can see here, the audio and the video are being played. So what you need to do now is, in order to add auto beats, tap on the music. And once you have tapped on it, scroll down to the side a bit until you find the beats option. Tap on beats and then turn on this auto generate option. Now tap on done and it will auto generate the beats for you. So just go ahead and tap on auto generate. Unfortunately, it's not available on this one, so let me just try on this other track and then auto generate. So if it finds any beats, it will automatically generate the beat. Or what you could also do is add beats like this, something like this, and then tap on done. Once you've added beats, these little yellow dots will appear on your track, and you can add different kind of transitions and make different edits from here. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you add auto beats on CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.